I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Copper CRM. Give a name. For API email and API key, please visit Copper CRM dashboard. Click on Setting. Now click on Integrations. Then click API key. Click on Generate API key. Copy API email and API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to Copper CRM dashboard and refresh the page. You can see record created in People module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.